Hello everyone. I have restarted the class after a long time. Okay, so as we are continuing our HTML classes, basic HTML classes, and there is some gap in this practice. So I want to restart this class, and today I want to tell about lists in HTML. Okay. Firstly, I want to tell about list, not in list in HTML. How we are using list in our daily life. List is nothing but a series of items we write in a page or in our computer. Okay, a series of items that is in an ordered way or in unordered way. Okay, that we have to make any grocery item list, that we make in list. Okay, this all comes in the list. Okay, but you have seen some web pages which consist of list. Okay, for doing that list we have to use HTML. Okay, HTML will give us the platform to make that list in our web page, and we can give different types of list in that web page. Okay, for doing that list we have to use li tag. This tag is used for each and every particular items. Okay, each and particular items to mark it. Okay, nothing but this tag is only used for making that list of items. Okay, we have two types of list tag. Firstly, we have unordered list, and the second is ordered list. Firstly, I want to tell that these two tags, these two lists, I have done this presentation in that manner. In unordered list there is only bullets are present, and in ordered list there is a special order in it. Okay, this unordered list is only contain the bullets. This doesn't have any special order to mark. Okay, and this tag, this unordered list uses ul tag to demonstrate its list. Okay, but in ordered list we have to we have some order, that is in increasing or decreasing order. Okay, we have to here written that one number this option, two number this written. This is the ordered list. Okay, 1 2 3 4, this contains some special order. Okay, in ordered list we use ol tag to create our list. Okay, so today we will learn about unordered list, and the ordered list we will talk about it in the next class. Today we will only focus in unordered list point. Okay, so unordered list, what is unordered list? Okay, unordered list is a collection of related items. Okay, related items means if anyone tells you about tell some points about tell some names of non-living things, so you will tell table, chair, pencil, laptop. These are the non-living things. This will be written in some point wise. Okay, in some manner. But in unordered list there is no special order it contains. Okay, there is no special order it has. Okay, you can write it in any order, like in bullets or square boxes, in any order. There will be no a b c d e f. There will be no 1 2 3 4. There will be no roman number 1 2 3 4. There is no special order in it. Okay, this unordered list contains, I have tell you about this previously. This unordered list use ul tag. Okay, in this ul tag you will write the items name using that li tag. Here I have written you have to use li tag under ul tag to make a list. In ul tag, under that ul tag you will write li tag options. Okay, so and we can use different design bullets for list of items, and we have many design bullets which we have to use for our ul tag. Okay, there are very much there are very options to do this design bullets. Okay, so first I will show you some examples about it. This is our notepad. Okay, I have previously I have written this program. Okay, here is our HTML and the head, and in this we have a body tag. Okay, in body tag we have to write ul tag. Okay, like this ul. Okay, in ul we have to use a li tag. Okay, but previously we have to we are writing about non-living things, so we have to write non-living things. Okay, we have to write non-living things, and then we will start a unordered list tag, and in that tag we have to use a li tag. Okay, this ul tag is a container tag. Okay, and that li tag is also a container tag. So ul tag is started, and we have to close it. And for li tag we have to give some option, like firstly I will write table li close, second chair, third pen, sorry I have written pen. Okay, this I have started ul tag here, and I have closed it here. All the li tags are closed. Okay, these are the first point, second point, third point. I have not described, I have not written here any type of bullet we use. Okay, so I want to see which type of bullet is the default bullet HTML will present us. Okay, so I have to save it, save as, all files. I have to write this with unordered list, ul list. I will write the name .html. Okay, .html, all files save in this. Okay, to close it. Why is that ul list here? Okay, I have to double click on it, and there is the present. See, non-living things, table, chair, pen, it's all in an unordered way, but it contains a list. Okay, and the default bullet option is the circle. Okay, the circle. Okay, the default option for this is the circle. Here I have written default bullet style is disk. Okay, so our default bullet size is disk. We have some design bullets, disk, circle, square. There is written disk, circle, square. So I have to check it that. Okay, so I have to open my, and where we have to write this type of bullets, where we have to use this. So here in the ul tag I have to change that list items, this li I have to change. So we have to write ul in ul. Okay, which type of bullets I want, we will write in ul tag. Okay, ul type equals to, type is its attribute, type is attribute of ul tag, unordered list tag. Okay, ul type equals to, uh, I want to write square. Okay, square, control plus s, save. Now I will see what does it happen. I have to refresh it, and this bullet is changed, this circle bullet is changed into a square bullet. Okay, so we can do any types, any different types of bullet option here. You can try it at your home, and you can make any list of items here. Okay, this is this bullet we have used here. So I want to change it to square bullet. I have changed that, square bullet, square, control plus s, save. And we can see this here, we have changed the square. Next I will use circle, control plus s, save. And is changed into this. So there are different types of bullets we can use. Okay, now I will write, I will elaborate this to extra some extra ul tags. Okay, so use ul type equals to square. Okay, there are some, and ul will be closed, and we have to make li tag, but before this I have to write here living things. You can write it under any of the you can write it in any of the paragraph tag, any container tag you want. Okay, I use here br tag to break a line. Okay, in li tag I have to give some name. For living things, it's animals. First I write the human beings, being, li tag closed. Next I have to write li animals. Okay, control plus s, save. And now we will see the output. Refresh it, and we will get the output. Non-living things, table, chair, pen. Living things, human being and animals. Here I have used two ul tag. One is for this non-living things, bullet type is circle, and another is the ul tag of square. Okay, its bullets type is square. Okay, so I have demonstrated about unordered list. I think you have got the idea of unordered list. So I will give you an assignment on it to do. Please do it, and send this to my WhatsApp number. Okay, or you can mail it, or you can comment it in this video. So please make this assignment complete, and please submit it to me. Okay, thank you for today's class, and please subscribe the channel, and click on like button if you like it. Thank you.